In section 2B, on page 55, we are given this table, and we're introduced to the idea of using multiple pie charts to summarize two-way table data. And what I want to emphasize here is that we're using multiple pie charts because each of these columns is going to be its own pie chart. So for example, the Democratic Party has one pie chart, and then our Independent Party will have another pie chart. So each column has its own pie chart. So if there's 4 columns, that means we're going to have 4 pie charts. Because the whole is the whole party. So then each of these pie charts are going to get split into their parts. So let's see, there's 193 Democrats. If 184 of them are no cigarettes, and 9 of them have yes to cigarettes. So here we have one slice so there's 2 slices because there's 2 rows. So 4 columns means 4 pies, and each of those pies is going to have 1 slice for each of the rows. We can use Excel to make those 4 pie charts. I think the easiest way is to make 4 little tables. So I'm just going to cut and paste that and to make 4 different tables. So one for the Democratic Party, one over here, and I'm going to cut and paste. So I did the rows 4 times because I'm going to make 4 different tables for 4 different pie charts. And then copy the 1 column per table. Excuse me. So copy that and paste. And then I can copy this one. Oh dear. That didn't work out very well. Those didn't get lined up quite right. So this Democratic one, I actually want to paste it right here so that, let's see. So my numbers line up. So the no cigarettes is 184, yes cigarettes is 9. And then do the same thing for Independent Party. Do copy. And I want the Independent to land there. So I click there and click paste. Now I want to get the other party. Copy. And paste. And I want to get the Republican Party. Copy and paste. Okay, so now I have 4 separate tables for my 4 different pie charts. Remember the rows, the rows are the slices. So it's the same category, same labels of slices for each of the 4 charts. And I'm going to have 1 pie chart for each of these columns. Okay, so now I can highlight this first chart and say Insert, Charts, Pie. Looks a little different on a computer, but it's the same idea. So there's my pie chart for the Democratic Party. And then I can do the same thing over here for the Independent Party. Highlight it, Insert, Chart, pie, pick your 2D pie chart. And then the other party, highlight that table, other parties, I should say. Insert, chart, pie. And the last pie chart is the Republican Party. Highlight that, insert, chart, pie, and pick the 2D chart. And there's our 4 pie charts that represent this two-way data.